Hello everyone, myself Ayush Swami and today I'm gonna show you the project that I made for Level Supermind Hackathon. I made this project using Langflow and Astra DB as the database. It is basically an AI-powered chatbot which will help you know more about the data by analyzing it and providing valuable insights using generative AI. First of all, I stored some JSON data in this Astra DB database, which is a vector database. So I stored some JSON data here, and we will be analyzing this data using the generative AI. So let's go to the Langflow part. Now here we are. It is the main flow of the program that we have created, and initially you can see this. This is a custom component that I created myself using some Python code, and this component actually play a very important role in this whole program because this component retrieves all the posts from the database and then performs some awesome calculations on it, and then it will pass those calculations to this prompt, and this prompt then goes to this generative AI, and then AI will analyze this whole thing and give us the output on the basis of the question we are asking in the input. And now you'll be asking like Ayush, why you created this custom component when there is already an Astra DB component to retrieve all the posts from the Astra database. Now let me tell you a backstory. Here is a flow that I was previously working on. This is not my main flow actually. So here I used this Astra DB component and these two agents. This agent is basically communicating with this Astra DB component to retrieve all the posts from my database, and then this calc agent is basically doing all the calculation part and providing the analysis. But the error lies here only. This agent was not able to perform the calculations very accurately. Like when I was asking it for the same question, each time the results were different. The calculations were different. So I guess in data analysis, accuracy is the main thing. So I thought I should make my own custom component that I made using my Python skills, and it performed all the calculations very accurately, and then those calculations are sent to this prompt, and this prompt is sent to this generative AI, and then this generative AI analyzed it, and it like gives output on the basis of the question asked in the input. I will provide the JSON code of this flow in the GitHub, and from where you can access this whole flow, and you can also access this whole code that I wrote for this component. Now let's test this flow. Let's go to the playground and let's create a new flow. Let's say hello. Now it's asking us to give the post to analyze, and like I want to know the performance of reads. Yeah, here's the whole analysis of the reels. First of all, it gives the average engagement matrices like mm, likes, average shares, average comments that a reel receives, and it also compares it with carousel story and static image posts. And in the end, it also gives the summary, and I can say that this data is very much accurate. Like every time you will ask, like let's ask it again. I want an analysis of reels, and here you will see the same data again, 911 likes, as you can see. And not only this, I also made a very good UI for this application, and here it is. This first of all, this awesome graphs, and this graph is basically showing overall engagement by the post type. Like here are reel, carousel, static images, and stories, and here you can see the average like and comments, shares it receives, and here is like average like by post type, average comments by post type, average share by post type, and here is the chatbot to which we can interact. to which we can ask some questions. Let's clear this. Let's say hello. It is basically using the API provided by Langflow. Yeah, here it is also asking about the post type to analyze. Now let's say I want to analyze stories. Yeah, so here we can see the analysis given by AI. It says that story posts have this average engagement metrics. It have average likes of 291. So let's verify it. Let's verify it from the graphs. So here it is also showing that it have 291 average likes. So we can say that our data is mostly accurate. It is not giving different result each time. And let's ask it for reels also, or we can verify it from here only, as the reels receive 911 average likes. And if we go to Langflow, it's also saying that it receives 911 average likes. So it proves that our data is accurate. One thing I forgot to mention is that you can also set the view to table view to get some results in the form of table, and you can set back to graph view. Yeah, so this was all about my project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.